Hello everyone, I want to do a real quick video. I'm just going to shoot on my phone again. I was looking into these little air conditioners, and this is a scam I've come across several times on Amazon. Not Amazon itself, but some of the sellers. If you look right away when you open it up, they have really low ratings, some of these. You know, the top one's only 2-star rating, you know, and then there's 3-star ratings and different, really low ratings, and then all of a sudden there'll be these ones that have a high rate. Look at like this one, 6,000 rating and only $43 and almost 5 stars. So I opened up a couple of them. Before you, a lot of people might say, "Oh, well, this is the good one," and just click buy it now or whatever. But if you look here, this is the exact same one. What they do is they change the listing. You have to actually go into the reviews. And like, look, the ones that have the 5-star ratings aren't for the air conditioner at all. They're for this completely other item. So there's this other item that gets a lot of reviews, and then they'll switch it and put the air conditioning in. All the ones that feature the actual air conditioning are terrible, terrible views. So they'll build it up with a good listing. It's the same on this one. This is another one that has over 1,000. Oh, look at the good ratings and everything. And then you do that, you click on it, and you see that it's not even for the item. The photos don't match. The photos are for, what is this, a juicer or something? It's not even the same thing. So what they're doing, I don't know if it's bait and switch or what you would call it, but it's definitely a scam. So be aware of this. Just because on this main page, that's not going to load, but just because on this main page, if an item has a really high 5-star rating, especially, you know, when you see other ones, most of them have very low, similar items have a very low rating. Make sure that you can, you know, again, click on the reviews themselves and look at the reviews and look at the photos, because sometimes there won't be a photo, but it'll say, "Oh yeah, my new vase is a beautiful item and I just love it." And you're looking, it's supposed to be an air conditioner, and it's this completely other item. They've somehow stolen the reviews. I mean, I'm not even sure of the mechanics of how it's done, but just beware of this. This is I've run across this more than one time, and I noticed it again today. So I need to make a video about this, because I bet a lot of people will just say, "Oh, look, and this one's only $43 and it gets 5-star ratings," and then they'll click and buy it. And here's another thing. Often with some of these things, and not all, but sometimes, if it's from Japan or wherever, or China or different places, you can't, and watch, you know, sometimes you can't return it at all, but sometimes they'll say, "Well, you got to pay for the return," and then like the return is like $100, you know, so you're just stuck with this piece of junk. So make sure on these reviews that you do click, and make sure that the reviews are legitimate for the item that you're considering purchasing, not just clicking buy it now. Okay, sorry for the little bit of the shaky video. It's on my phone. I just wanted to shoot a real quick video. Hope I helped you out. Forget another helpful tip. Thanks for watching. Bye.